Servicing your vehicle at a local mechanic shop doesn't necessarily save you money. Whether you need windshield repair, a new paint job or touch-up, or a tune-up. When you bring your vehicle to Anthony Buick GMC, you get more than just fast, reliable service on all makes and models. We offer on-site car rental, courtesy transportation, and an on-site body shop with drive-in claim center. Simply drop off your vehicle and we do the rest. Visit us at www.anthonyautogroup.com, where you can view our inventory of parts and accessories, print out money-saving service coupons, schedule a service appointment, and at a certified dealer, you get reliable service performed by highly trained technicians you can trust. Call, click, or come in for more information. Anthony Buick GMC is located at 7225 Grand Avenue in Gurnee, Illinois.